Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dublin.
What's going on, everybody? This is Powell.
And this is Angie, and this is just a quick reminder to everybody that MARPA EMEA is coming up fast. It's going to be May 14th to 15th in Dublin, Ireland.
If you haven't been to this conference before, it's a great place for airlines and air carriers and PMA companies to get together to talk about real solutions.
And this year, MARPA is proud to announce Aer Lingus IAG as this year's air carrier partner, along with the continued support from the United States Department of Commerce.
And just a quick rundown of the main events. So we're going to have the MARPA member one-on-one meetings between air carriers and PMA companies. We're also going to have the air carrier committee meetings and a networking reception on May 14th.
And if you're flying in, MARPA has arranged a special hotel rate at the Crown Plaza Dublin Blanchardstown. But don't wait too long to book, rooms fill up fast.
We're looking forward to seeing everybody there.
May 14th to 15th.
Thanks, guys.